Hi, my name's Arielle Weininger. I'm the Chief Curator of Collections and Exhibitions at the Illinois Holocaust Museum. I have been asked to answer the questions of how we prepared to get the museum ready for a major construction project. So in our museum, we hold about 36,000 objects. All of those objects needed to be inventoried, they needed to be given a condition, they needed to be prepared to be packed, and then were taken off-site by a fine art packing company and will be stored at that facility during the duration of the construction. One thing that we cannot take off the premises is a very large train car. So that object was again conserved, it was soft wrapped in a material to protect it, and then it was wrapped in a further wooden box so as construction happens around it, it will not get harmed during this process. All of the other galleries in the museum have been prepared for the construction. So again, objects have been removed, casework has been removed, and anything that's left in the gallery has been protected by plastic or other materials so that it will not get harmed during the process of construction. I should also note that we will be opening a satellite location in downtown Chicago later this summer while the museum is closed. So for information on that, make sure to check our website and social media outlets, and we will see you there later this summer. Thank you so much.